Kahit may anak na, tila walang balak makasal ang aktor na si Diego Loizaga sa kanyang kasalukuyang kinakasama. Sa latest episode kasi ng Tony Talks Inusisa ni Ultimate Multimedia Star, Tony Gonzaga kung totoo ba talaga ang nabalitaan niyang hindi naniniwala si Diego sa kasal. I don't believe in marriage. It's a piece of paper for me, saad ni Diego. Nagulat naman si Tony sa sinabing iyon ng aktor kaya hiningan niya ito ng paliwanag. Kunyari lang, you and me, we agree on everything. There's not a spot or piece of line or paragraph that we don't agree on. Absolutely everything. 100%. Crystal clear. Why? Must we now get it written down on a piece of paper and then get someone else to bestow onto us that we are now a married couple? Ani Diego. Dagdag pa niya, ang sa akin lang kasi, is if ever we fight in the future and get to the point na ayoko na sayo. Tapos ikaw galit ka na sa akin. It's not a big matter of having to go somewhere and get annulled, get divorced. It's because I guess growing up, I grew around it so much and I got to see it so much. Separation. Aside from my own parents, even people around me. So why did you have to sign a piece of paper? What do you get in the end? Matatanda ang noong Hunyo ay flinex ni Diego sa kanyang Instagram account ang larawan ng baby niya habang karga ito.